Hi there, I'm Charlotte from NightSearcher. Are you looking for smart outdoor lighting with added flexibility? The Nexsun 2-in-1 delivers a powerful 1000 lumen output, providing bright illumination of your outdoor spaces. No wiring, no hassle, just solar-powered brilliance. This sleek wall-mounted LED light features a detachable body, instantly transforming into a portable light, perfect for use in the garden or around your home. Now, let's have a look and see what this light can do. With 3 different modes, the Nexsun 2-in-1 is adaptable for your preference. Mode 1, indicated in orange, gives you a 200 lumen glow for the full 6-hour runtime. Mode 2, indicated in red, delivers a constant glow of 50 lumens with motion detection, which increase the brightness of the light upon activation. Now mode 3, indicated in green, lights up when motion is detected by the sensor. Equipped with a PIR motion sensor, the Nexsun 2-in-1 detects movement up to 5 meters away with a 120-degree field of view, triggering instant illumination for added safety with smart technologies which ensure optimal lighting for the full 6-hour runtime. With an IP65 weatherproof rating and a wide operating temperature range, the Nexsun 2-in-1 is built to withstand all conditions. Installation is quick and wire-free, making it the perfect choice for entrances, driveways, pathways, and outdoor spaces. For your peace of mind, you get to enjoy up to 5 years of warranty on our whole solar range.